guys, welcome back to our channel at Gaming Basics. Today in this video, we will see what are the best Valorant agents for the map Lotus. Picking the efficient agents is the way to getting that victory. Lotus also features 3 sites in Valorant, and pushing an area to get that early info on the enemies can be great to win on this map. We will be considering every role while selecting the best agent for the map Lotus. For the role of Duelist, Raze is a must pick for her utility since it can clear tons of low chokeholds in A, B or C side. For the role of Initiators, Gecko is a great pick since on this map his utility is so much useful for the team. For an example, his Wingman is so much viable for planting the spike and your team can fight the other. For the role of Controller, you should go with Omen, as A side rubble fights it's easy with Woman and you can teleport to the rubble side. For the role of Sentinel, Cypher is a great pick since this is a 3-side map, and to stop enemies from lurking, Cypher's tripwire is excellent. So these are the best Valorant agents for Lotus. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and also hit the bell button icon to get updates for our latest videos, and drop a comment for more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.